In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 quick tips in using Google Sheets. Let's go to the first one. So our first quick tip would be to quickly view the sum of a range. So in order to do that, all you have to do is to select the range that you want to quickly sum, and you have the sum right here at the bottom right corner. Let's do that again. If we try and select this, the sum will be automatically calculated on this corner right here. And if you just click on this arrow down, it will also give you the average, the minimum, the maximum, the count, and the count numbers. So our second quick tip would be your column stats. So you can view the statistics of a specific column that you have on your datasheet. You can do that by going to Data on your menu bar and selecting Column Stats right here. Once you've clicked on that, you have the column stats of each of the columns selected on your datasheet. So let's say we move on to this one. On column B, you have here your values, the frequency of that value. We have 4 unique values right here, which will be indicated right here. And if you hover over each value, it will be highlighted on your column. Let's try another one. You have the frequency of your values right here again. You also view the sum, the average, and the median. Let's say for this one, here you have it again, the sum, the average, the median, the minimum value, and the maximum value. So that's your quick look on your column stats. Our next quick tip would be to insert rows or columns. So let's say you forgot to add some customers on this sales report and you wish to add it somewhere in between these 2 customers. So you can just right click on it and select insert 1 row above or 1 row below. You can choose whatever you like, and once you're done, you can add your data right here. Let's say you want to add more than just 1. So what you can do is to select the number of rows that you want to add, right click on them, and here you have insert 3 rows above or below. So we're just going to click on above, and there you have it. We can also do it to our columns. So just select the number of columns you want to add. Let's say I want to add 2. Right click on them, and again you have insert 2 columns to the left or to the right. Let's try to the right, and there you have it. So those were the quick ways on how to insert rows and columns. Let's go to our next quick tip. So let's say you made a mistake and you've added those unnecessary columns and rows. What we can do is to just delete them. Here's how to do it. So just select the rows that you've added or that you don't need, right click on them, and you have your choice right here, which is delete columns D and E. Once you click on that, those columns have been deleted. You can do the same thing with your rows again. Just select them, right click on them, and delete rows 4 to 7. Click on it, and you have deleted those rows. And our final quick tip for today would be for you to check your edit history. So let's say you've been working with someone on this datasheet and you want to know what has been changed and who has changed it. You can easily view that to your edit history, which you can quickly see right here. If you click on this, you have your version history, you'll have the date, time, and the person who had made a change. Click on that and check what has been selected or what has been changed. And there you have it. Those were our 5 quick tips in using Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.